You have a source of light here. Now, if I take the scale and if I mark, this is the path of the light, and if I mark it to any plane, so I can say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So light, if I say, and these two x and y are onto the same plane, if I can say it's a z-axis. So I am saying the light is traveling into which direction? Y direction. I have put this scale in which direction? X direction. Again, to better understand, this is x, this is y. Now if I see the board, if I can take this as x, this is y. So this is a xy plane on which I have a x, this is y. The direction of the light is y, the plane of this this direction is x. Now I will keep the protector here. I kept the protector, you can see xy direction of the protector. Now the angle, this is 90 degree, and in the same 90 degree it's going, right? Now this is the normal. I had kept this particular mirror, I had set this particular mirror against this normal or on the x-axis, but this line is the normal. Now if I change the ray box angle from this side, because they change the source of the light by some degree against the normal. See, if I am changing, if I am changing from any degree, so what's happening? Again, the ray of light, the beam of light is from this direction and it's reflecting back or bouncing back to this direction. Now in reflection we say this as an incident light against this normal. So this is angle I. We see this as a bounce back light, which is known as R. So against this normal, this is known as angle of reflection and this is known as angle of incidence. I keep the protector here, and now you can see I had marked this particular joint as P. Now I am keeping the protector in this XY direction or XY plane. Now you can see this is 90 degree. You can see this particular angle YPB, means Y, P and B. YPB is what? Is 30 degree. How it's 30 degree? If you can calculate 60 to 90 means 30 degree. Now again, if you in the same thing, if you see angle YPO is what? 90 to 120. That means the difference is what? The delta is 30 degree. Now what you found? You found this angle, which is known as angle I. Why angle I? Because it is the source angle, or from where the light is coming. And what is this angle? From where the angle which is being formed after the bouncing back of light, that is equal to angle R. Now if you, this side is x, this side is y. So if I can say for the board, this side was x, this side was y, and all the activities happened onto the same plane. That's why the first law is that the phenomenon to exist for reflection, the reflection should happen. The first law states that these things will happen when they are onto the same plane. The second law states that the angle of incidence, again I will say it's the source from where the lights are coming, the angle is formed against the normal, and angle of reflection is the source from where the lights are bouncing back into some angle against the normal. That is angle I and angle R, that has to be equal, and that is the laws of reflection. The first law, it's all on the same plane. The second law, angle I is equal to angle. So to understand this concept into the real life, whatever the thing which you are doing is due to reflection, because the lights are bouncing back. Again, if you stand in front of a mirror, you see your own image. That image is erect, but yes, there is a lateral inversion, left right, but it's happening due to why? It's happening why? Because it's happening due to reflection. Whatever thing which you see, which you are viewing, it's happening due to